Wish you a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a true honor and pleasure one more time to be here at Worldwide Management Studies. Hi, I am Firoz, the personality development coach of Worldwide Management Studies and the chief mentor of Learn, Develop and Grow. And we have trained more than 500 students in communication skill and personality. So, I'll begin with one quote. And you guys, I hope you know the quote, right? And the quote is, who doesn't want to be seen, heard and understood? One more time. Who doesn't want to be seen, heard and understood? Repeat after me. Who doesn't want to be seen, heard and understood? Everybody wants to be seen, heard and understood, right? Everybody wants to be in the spotlight. But is it that easy to be in the spotlight? क्या ये इतना आसान है?
नहीं सर.
क्या?
नहीं सर.
एग्जैक्टली स्पॉटलाइट पे रहना कौन नहीं चाहता है, पर क्या ये आसान है?
यस सर.
एग्जैक्टली, आई लाइक दिस आंसर. आसान है. ऑल राइट, आई मस्ट अप्रिशिएट योर एटीट्यूड. बट लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग दैट always remember, the harder the journey, the bigger the success. The harder the journey, the bigger the success. Repeat after me. The bigger success. Exactly. आपका journey जितना मुश्किल होगा, आपका reward उतना बड़ा होगा. The harder the journey, the bigger the success or the reward. The harder the journey, the bigger the reward. So आपका journey जितना difficult होगा, क्या होगा? आपका जर्नी जितना डिफिकल्ट होगा तो उसके बाद क्या होगा?
बड़ा रिवॉर्ड होगा.
एग्जैक्टली. द हार्डर द जर्नी, द बिगर द रिवॉर्ड. आपका रिवॉर्ड भी उतना ही बड़ा आपको मिलेगा. आपका जर्नी अगर आसान होगा तो
विल गेट बिगर रिवॉर्ड्स.
नो, जर्नी अगर आसान होगा तो
विल बैक
रिवॉर्ड छोटा होगा.
रिवॉर्ड छोटा होगा.
जर्नी अगर आसान होगा तो रिवॉर्ड छोटा होगा. अगर जर्नी आपका बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा तो रिवॉर्ड
बहुत इजी होगा.
रिवॉर्ड बहुत बड़ा होगा. एग्जैक्टली. सो who doesn't want success? Tell me, who doesn't want success? Who doesn't want success?
Everyone wants success.
Who doesn't want success?
Everybody wants success.
Who doesn't want success? Who doesn't want success?
Everybody wants success.
Who doesn't want success?
Everybody can success.
Who doesn't want reward and success?
Everybody wants success.
Reward और success किसको नहीं चाहिए? Who doesn't want reward and success?
Everybody wants reward.
Can you speak little loudly, gentlemen?
Everybody wants reward and success.
Very good. Everybody wants reward and success. Who doesn't want reward and success?
Everybody wants reward and
Can
success,
you
sir.
speak little loudly?
Yes, sir. Everybody wants reward and success.
Who doesn't want reward and success?
Everybody wants reward and success.
Exactly. So everybody want, right? We all want reward and success. Repeat after me. We all want reward and success. But is it so easy? क्या इतना आसान है? Tell me, is it that easy? But let me tell you, today the young generations, their mentality is, or the Gen Z's mentality is, we want success and reward, but in the easy way. मेहनत किए बिना चाहिए मुझे सक्सेसफुल तो बनना है, पर कैसे बनना है? मेहनत किए बिना. कैसे बनना है?
नहीं.
कैसे बनना है?
मेहनत किए बिना.
कैसे बनना है?
मेहनत किया बिना.
कैसे बनना है?
मेहनत का बिना.
कैसे बनना है?
मेहनत किए बिना.
मेहनत किए बिना. Without the hard work, the easy way, you want success today. What time you get up, gentlemen?
So क्या?
What time you get up, gentlemen?
So 5 a.m.
5 a.m. What time you get up, gentlemen?
8 a.m.
8 a.m. What time you get up, gentlemen?
6 a.m.
6 a.m. What time you get up, gentlemen?
7 a.m.
What time you get up, gentlemen?
7 a.m.
All right. So what was a book you have read the last time? What was a book you have read? कौन सा किताब आपने पढ़ा? Okay, tell me, what was a book you have read last time?
नहीं.
कौन सा किताब आपने पढ़ा? कौन सा किताब आपने पढ़ा? Okay. We all need mentors in our life. Mentors के बिना सक्सेस मिलना नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल है. अगर होता तो कपिल देव भी कर लेता, राइट? विदाउट अ मेंटर और कोच. कपिल देव भी कर लेता, नीरज चोपड़ा भी कर लेता, सचिन तेंदुलकर भी कर लेता, राइट और रॉन्ग? यस और नो? So everybody wants a mentor or coach in their life, right? So my question to you is, do you have a mentor or coach?
Yes, sir.
You have. You're super lucky, gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
Because I never had a coach or mentor in my life. Do you have a coach or mentor in your life?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay. So do you have?
Yes, sir.
You have.
Yes, sir.
Do you have?
Yes, sir. I have.
What about you?
No, sir.
No. What about you?
Yes, sir, I have.
You have a coach and mentor in your life. So those who have, you guys are extremely lucky. You guys are extremely lucky. Because the coach and mentor will be giving you the wisdom of their experience. Let's say 10 years, 15 years experience से आपको वो बताएगा. So you are getting the wisdom which your coach or mentor have spent 15 years to get that wisdom. You are getting that from your coach or mentor. Sounds good? Sounds mind-boggling? So this is it. आपको वो ज्ञान, आपको विजडम मिलेगा जो कोच और मेंटोर ने 15 साल बिताने का बाद मिला है. So this is the power of this is the reason we should have a coach or mentor. So like, who is the coach and mentor of your life?
So,
Who is the coach and mentor of your life?
father and
Father. Okay. So my very next question, what your father have taught you? क्या सिखाया आपने? क्या सीखा उनसे?
He learned more many things.
Many things. मुझे एक चीज बताइए.
Smart work and hard work दोनों एक साथ.
कि हार्ड वर्क के साथ स्मार्ट वर्क, लाइक दोनों ही चाहिए to achieve something in life, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, who is your coach and mentor?
Sir, father.
What have you learned from your father?
Never fear to anyone.
Never fear to anyone. Okay, awesome. So you guys can tell me, who is your coach and mentor?
My father.
And what have you learned?
Hard work.
Okay, very good, very good. Sounds really good. I appreciate this. So you can never achieve success. Let's get to the bottom line is that the harder the journey, the bigger the reward. आपका journey जितना difficult होगा, आपका reward भी उतना ही बड़ा आपको मिलेगा. Never want in the easy way. Understood? Nobody have achieved success and reward in the easy way. इस दुनिया में किसी को आसानी से नहीं मिला. Do you agree with this? Yes or no?
Yes, I am definitely agree with you, sir.
You agree with this fact, right?
Yes.
Nobody have achieved success in the easy way. Do you agree with this fact?
Yes, sir, definitely I agree.
Exactly. So this is it. This is the reality. You need to get up early in the morning. You need to stick to your goals and mission and your objectives of your life, the purpose of your life, and you need to stay focused and you need to take action every single day. You need to put your blood and sweat to achieve that. So my next question to you is, like, what is the purpose of your life?
Sir, to be successful.
To be successful in which like sector or industry you want to be successful?
Sir, in hospitality.
In hospitality industry. Okay, what is the purpose of your life?
To be successful as well as to maintain my personal life and professional life on a balance.
Okay, so you want to be successful. Let me ask you, in which industry?
Hotel management.
Okay, in the hospitality sector, right? Okay, like what about you, gentlemen?
I also want more success in hospitality.
In hospitality sector. Okay, तो आप लोगों का क्या ख्याल है? Like आपको, like, what is the purpose of your life? आपके जीवन का purpose क्या है?
सक्सेसफुल होना है.
कहाँ पे? Like कौन से इंडस्ट्री में?
हॉस्पिटैलिटी.
हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में आपका क्या विचार है? Like what is the purpose of your life?
हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री.
अच्छा, वहां पे आपको सक्सेसफुल बनना है. तो आपका क्या सोच है? क्या आपका जर्नी बहुत ही इजी होने वाला है? क्या? तो मेरा सवाल, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आर यू मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट? आर यू मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट?
यस सर.
You are, right? Say loudly yes.
यस सर.
Very good. Sounds good. Are you mentally prepared? Say loudly yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're sounding confident. Are you mentally prepared?
यस सर.
Okay, you're sounding confident. Are you mentally prepared?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally prepared?
Yes, sir.
What about you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. I am mentally
You are
prepared.
mentally prepared. Are you mentally prepared?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally prepared?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally prepared?
Yes, sir.
Can you accept those challenges?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Are you mentally prepared and accept the challenges?
Yes, sir. I am ready for.
Are you ready for the tough journey?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Very good. Are you ready for the tough journey?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Do you want success in the easy way or the hard way?
Obviously, sir, the hard way.
The hard way. Do you want success in the easy way or the hard way?
Obviously, hard way, sir.
Very good. You want the easy way or the hard way?
Hard way, sir.
Hard way. So what about you? Do you want success in the easy way or the hard way?
The hard way, sir.
The hard way. क्या आपको like easily success चाहिए या मेहनत करके आपको हासिल करना है?
मेहनत करके हासिल करना है.
आपका क्या विचार है?
मेहनत करके हासिल करना.
Okay. What about you?
मेहनत करके.
What about you?
मेहनत करके हासिल करना है.
What about you?
मेहनत करके हासिल करना है.
You want the success in the easy way or the hard way?
हार्ड वे.
Hard way. मतलब मेहनत करके आपको चाहिए.
मेहनत करके चाहिए.
What about you?
Yes, sir. मेहनत करके चाहिए.
What about you?
In the hard way, sir.
Hard way. What about you?
Hard way, sir.
What about you?
इन द हार्ड वे.
Then when the problem will come, when you start facing the problem, the challenges, will you stick to your goals or you will give up?
We will stick to our goals.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What about you?
I will stick in the goals.
When the challenges will arise, when the problems will come, will you stick to your goals or you will give up?
I will not give up, sir. I will strictly on my focus on my goal.
Are you how confident you are?
Very much confident, sir.
What about you?
I also, sir, stick in my goals, sir.
You will stick to your goals. So when the challenges will arise, will you stick to your goals? Like, will you be consistent or you're going to give up? Like, will you persevere or you will give up?
Sir, I will be a persevere.
You will persevere.
Yes, sir. Definitely. I will stick to my point and I stick to my goal.
You're sounding confident, gentlemen.
Yes, sir. Definitely. I am very much confident about it.
I can see that in your voice. Appreciate. Alright, so here we are about to wrap up this motivational session with the students of Worldwide Management Studies. And we end with one line, and the line is: the harder the journey, the bigger the reward. Repeat after me: the harder the journey, the harder the journey, the reward. Harder the journey, the harder the journey. Exactly. आपका जर्नी जितना डिफिकल्ट होगा, याद रखना हमेशा आपके सक्सेस और रिवॉर्ड उतना ही बड़ा होगा. Thank you so much. Clap for yourself. Please clap. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with Learn, Develop and Grow. Thank you.
I was waiting for my time. I was waiting for my time. I was waiting for my time. If you want something big in your life, if you want something big in your life, you gotta sacrifice everything. You gotta sacrifice everything. The friends, the movies, the chatting, the shopping, the traveling, and all